Hello everyone and welcome to our first tutorial. We are going to take I'm going to take you to creating your first web page. So let's dive into the tutorial, but before then, don't please forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bar button. Thank you. Then now to create our first uh, web page, we are going to need to save our document because we don't want to lose everything and the web browser cannot understand what we are doing. So let's control S to save it. Then let's go and find a tutorial. This is the folder I want to save it. So here we're going to put, let's say, text.html to, or if you like, if you are using text this visual studio text editor, you can just choose from here. So text, but normally we do save it as index, but I'm going as a for the benefit of this tutorial, I'm going to use text to save it. So let's save it. We have saved our document. So in other text editors, you will have to go and be writing everything one by one, and for others you might not. Like for Visual Studio Code, you don't have to uh, be writing it one by one, because whenever you save it, as soon as you start, you have seen it, it has bring it. The exclamation mark doc type HTML tells your browser that you are displaying or you are using a HTML code. So this is a HTML code. So you are just, this is nothing for the code. It's to tell your browser that this is an HTML code. You might wish to write the version of the HTML, let's say 4.01, depending on the version of HTML you want to use. But someone brought up an idea that if you leave it blank like this, it's going to automatically, choose the latest version of the HTML. So we'll leave it like this. Then for the benefit of our code, we are going to use our first tag, which is the HTML tag. This, so the HTML tag is the tag that you open for the web page. Without it, it cannot display anything. So after the HTML tag, we have another tag known as the head tag. So we're going to use the head tag. After the head tag, although it doesn't have anything to do with the body of the tag, it only has the upper part where you see www or something like that. For example, this one upper part here, so that's where it displays. So let's say, let's see we're going to put the title for the web page, which is, let's say, my first web page and save it. Then when we go back to our, excuse me, her, when we go here and click on it to the, you see, you will notice that it brings our first web page, which is my first web page, and here it is. But it doesn't bring anything because we have not written anything on our web page. So let's dive into the real part of the tutorial, part of the web page, which is the body. But for you, you will have to type everything one by one. This is the opening tag, which is only HTML. The closing tag for everything that has a closing tag is a forward slash. So you see the same thing applied for head, title, body. So for the body tag, we are going to be opening another tag, which is let's say the header. The header tag, which is h1, header 1, which is the largest header. Then we write let's say the first web page, or we can just say the fish website, and save it. Then we're going to need a paragraph tag, which is p. Then this website brings you about different types of fish. Let's see, we have put in our paragraph. Then we are going to need to create a smaller head, which is h2. We can decide to write a section which is, let's call it the bass fish, and we can decide to put another this thing, which is another paragraph. Bass fish lives in the lake. You see, these are things I've added to the body of our website where it will show up automatically. Let's do it. See, boom, and here it is. We've seen it. The fish website, our header 1, which is larger than the header 2. Header 1 is the largest. Header 1, there are headers 1, 2, 3 up to 6. So header 1 is the largest. Header 2 is a little bit smaller. So here is our paragraph of the first paragraph we made, and here is the second one. So this is that for creating our first web page. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We will meet in the second tutorial. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.